Oh shit, wasps everywhere. So it's that time of year in Iowa. It's harvest time, so all the corn's coming down, all the dust is kicking up, and all the farmers' homes are getting dirty. So I'm doing a lot of gravel travel, going out there and doing all my annual homes.
If you build it, he will come.
You're not supposed to be talking, you're getting cut down. So the wind is messing with me. Usually I can make that shot, but I have a trick. I just come up a little bit higher. Oof, this is all gonna go in my face. I can feel it. I should have went up on the steps. Yep, right in my face. Got it. Okay, so that's all been applied. I'm gonna go back through and just keep the windows wet. Let it sit on there for 10 minutes, do its job. And as you can see, there's that plant. The wind right here on the corner. Once I get down there, the wind's okay. Plus I'm playing into the wind. But that shot right there, right there, took me some time. Normally I hit it right away, but this wind is taking it. But I got it. Here's something I didn't expect. All the bugs that came off of it. I didn't see that. I've already rinsed off this concrete, and then once I started hitting all these corners, where spiders like to live and everything. Once I started hitting all these corners, all these dead bugs came out. So here's the little of the boring stuff. Gotta keep the plants watered and wet and keep the cleaner off of them. You don't see me doing that a lot. I just want to take this time to say, in hindsight, I thought the wind would die down a little bit, but nope. This front porch has the nice tiger striping concrete. Really pops out when it's wet. I don't know what it's called. Funny story, when I first started pressure washing, I didn't know anything about concrete. I didn't even know this was a thing. And when I sprayed my cleaner down, because it was a really dirty driveway, and this popped out, I was like, oh no, what did I do? And then the lady came out and said, hey, how do you like our tiger striped concrete? And I was like, whew. I thought I messed their driveway up. Alright, so here's the plan on this last little bit. Got the time lapse going right here. I'm gonna go up my ladder, wash all this top part that the wind I know will take if I try to spray from the bottom, and I gotta go around this corner because there's like a crazy shot right there that I can't get unless I go up there. So this is why it's nice to have the remote downstream, because I could be obviously up here on this roof, and then I could just hit my button and that light will turn on the trailer. And that lets me know my soap is on. I hate roofs. Oh shit, wasps everywhere. I thought that was a dead nest. Die! Alright, well, the nest is down, it's all rinsed off. I'm getting off the roof because I just got stung once. By one of these little sons of bitches. All done, all nice and clean, bright and white, shining like a diamond. Got a wasp attack / bee attack. If you live out here in the country, during harvest your home gets all real dirty, real dusty from all the grain trucks and combines in the field. You know who to call. Please share the video, get my name out there. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.